Late childhood, typically between the ages of 9 and 12, is a critical period of development where children experience rapid growth and change across multiple domains. This phase bridges early childhood and adolescence, laying the foundation for future physical, intellectual, emotional, and social well being. Observing children within this age range provides invaluable insights into their developmental progress and helps identify both strengths and areas that may require support. For this observation, we visited Muswan Integrated School and we encountered five grade 4 students which we observed their different characteristics and behaviors. During our observation, we focused on identifying their unique characteristics and behaviors. Each student exhibited a blend of traits and tendencies influenced by their individual experiences, environment, and personality. By analyzing these observations, we can better understand the developmental needs of children in this age group and provide recommendations to support their growth effectively. As what we observed, Abby Murillo, a 10-year-old grade 5 student of Muswan Elementary School, hated math so much because she cannot comprehend and understand it well and deeply. She also have one best friend, but according to her, she wants one more specific friend to rely on too. While Alea Lariosa, a grade 6 student and an 11-year-old from Muswan Elementary School, really likes Taekwondo. As a matter of fact, she is a yellow high belter. She also likes crochet and have fun of sketching some anime figure. She didn't like Filipino that much because according to her, Filipino subject is difficult to understand rather than English. It is their least favorite of all subjects other than mathematics. She is Mahalia, a 12-year-old student at Muswan Integrated School. She told us that her favorite subject is history and she wants to become a policewoman someday. As we were observing her, she's this kind of kid who's very silent and won't talk to you if you don't talk to her in the first place. And she also prefers to have only one friend. Her name is Aisha, and she is 11 years old. Aisha loves AP because she likes reading and listening to history. She likes plenty of friends, but not that many, a maximum of 10 friends only, because she prefers to have one and only best friends, and that best friend was Mahalia. Aisha prefers to write cursive, and she also states that she likes being influenced by her friends. Let us move on to the one and only boy we've observed earlier, and his name is Chris Andre Cantaros. Chris is 9 years old and currently in the 4th grade of primary school. His favorite subjects are English and mathematics because according to him, English is easier than Filipino because he can't understand the Filipino words clearly. He loves mathematics because he likes numbers and solving problems. Chris also loves to read since then, and he can also write cursive, but he prefers a non-cursive because he can write faster. He likes to have plenty of friends than best friend. As what we observed earlier, intermediate school students' physical development, cognitive development, as well as their socio-emotional development grows deeper as their age goes bigger. They all hated math and Filipino subjects as they can comprehend and understand some formulas in math and can't understand easily some Filipino words. They have longer attention spans as they have the ability to focus for longer periods. They also develop better strategies for encoding and retrieving information, and their language skills and vocabulary becomes deeper. As they join the journalism, it is one of their way on improving their vocabulary and language skills. Some of them also has a creativity in mind as they started to draw and make crochet as a hobby. They also have the capacity to use gadgets and other technological tools. They all wanted a one trusted friend and a group of friends where they can share their laughter and memories with. Furthermore, all of them already had a goal in their respective lives. Some of them wants to be a scientist, a teacher, and a soldier.